Welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today, we are diving into a deeply enriching topic, connecting with your lineage. This is an essential aspect of understanding how we are and where we come from, especially in the context of Ifa spirituality. First, let's discuss more practical advice on how you can connect with your Ifa ancestors. This connection is vital for personal growth and spiritual development. Here are a few steps you can take. Rituals. Start by creating a sacred place in your home. This could be a simple shrine where you can honor your ancestors. Include items that resonate with you, such as symbols significant to your lineage. Offerings are a beautiful way to show respect and gratitude. Common offerings include food items, fruits, and so on and so forth. Place these at your shrine or in a natural setting. Remember, it's the intention behind the offering that matters most. Prayers. Incorporate prayers into your daily routine. Speak to your ancestors as if they are right there with you. Express your gratitude, ask for guidance, and share your thoughts. You can use traditional Ifa prayers or create your own heartfelt messages. I also want to encourage you to seek guidance from a qualified Ifa priest or practitioner. They can provide invaluable insight and help you navigate your spiritual journey. Having a mentor can deepen your understanding of rituals and the significance of your lineage. It's crucial to respect and honor ancestral traditions. This means approaching your practice with humility and an open heart. Learn about the customs and beliefs that surround Ifa and integrate them into your life in a meaningful way. Remember, honoring our ancestors is about keeping their spirit alive and recognizing their sacrifices. Now that we have explored connecting with your lineage, let's shift our focus to living your Ifa legacy. Discovering your Ifa lineage can be a transformative experience, and it's important to understand what that means for you. However, finding your Ifa lineage can empower you in profound ways. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of wisdom and strength that has been passed down through generations. When you realize you are part of this rich tapestry, it can inspire you to embrace your identity fully. Let me share some inspiring stories of individuals who have successfully connected with their lineage. One person I know began their journey unsure of his roots. Through rituals and guidance from an Ifa priest, he discovered his ancestors were powerful healers. This revelation not only provided a sense of belonging, but also ignited a passion for healing within this individual. He now dedicates his life to helping others, using his ancestral knowledge as a foundation. Another individual found strength in his lineage when he faced personal challenges. By honoring his ancestors and incorporating traditional practices into his daily life, he felt a renewed sense of purpose and resilience. His journey, however, serves as a reminder that our heritage can be a source of strength during difficult times. So, I encourage you to embrace your Ifa heritage wholeheartedly. Use it as a source of strength and guidance in your journey. Whether you are facing challenges or celebrating successes, remember that you are a part of a larger story, one that is rich with wisdom and resilience. I hope this discussion inspires you to connect with your Ifa ancestors and leave your Ifa legacy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay blessed and connected. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community